monetary benefits from flood control project contractors. We recommended the filing of criminal and administrative charges against the following persons. 1. Former Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo. Number 2, Senator Joel Jose Villanueva. Number 3, Senator Jose Jinggoy Estrada Ejercito Jr. Number 4, former Congressman Elizalde Saldico. Number 5, COA Commissioner Mario Lipana. Number 6, former Congresswoman Mary Mitch Kahayon Uy. These persons have possibly committed these following violations: direct or indirect bribery and corruption of public officials under Articles 210, 211, and 212 of the revised Penal Code. Corruption of public officers under Section 3B and 3E of Republic Act 3019. Plunder as defined and penalized under Section 2 of Republic Act 7080.